To our loyal subscribers, we want to express our deepest gratitude. Your unwavering support has been the cornerstone of our journey, and we are incredibly thankful for your faith and dedication. Together, we've built a community that believes in a brighter future, and for that, we are eternally grateful. Mr. Mafareh and his team have demonstrated what it means to lead with passion and purpose. They have devoted countless hours, overcome challenges, and stayed true to their mission to uplift humanity. This journey has not been easy, but their perseverance and belief in our collective success inspire us every day. And now, we are thrilled to share some exciting news. On Thursday, April 10th, 2025, at 12 noon EST, we will be hosting our first live webinar of the year. The webinar is more than an invitation, it's a call to action, a chance to be part of something transformative. So, mark your calendars, set your reminders, and get ready to join us. The link to the webinar will be posted here, and we can't wait to see you there. Thank you, Mr. Mafareh, his family, and the incredible technology team for their unwavering devotion and care. See you at the webinar. Let's do this.